Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome back to my channel. I decided to get pretty crafty this week and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY body shimmer with only 2 ingredients. It's absolutely perfect for this summer, for this very beautiful, nice glow. Continue watching to see step by step how I made this absolutely beautiful rose gold one. First, I'm going to be starting out with this coconut rose oil I got from Marshall's for super cheap. Then I picked the shade I never used in my ANASTASIA glow palette. It's a rose gold shimmer. Since I didn't have a funnel, I grabbed a random piece of cardboard, but you can also use paper. A butter knife is necessary, or a spoon, whichever you prefer honestly. And last but not least, a bowl or measuring cup. I'm using this mini measuring cup for a holding place for the crushed highlight, so it really doesn't matter what you use. For step 1, take your highlight, chop it up, and remove it from the pan into your bowl. I'm going to be speeding up this process because it can get a pretty bit boring. For step 2, crush up the highlight really well to a fine powder. Step 3. Make a funnel out of your piece of paper or cardboard. Super easy, all you have to do is just fold the piece of paper in half. Slowly, and I mean slowly, pour the highlight into the fold part of the paper until it all ends up into the bottle. It can get pretty messy if you're not careful, as you can see here. It should look like this before mixing it all together. Last but not least, I screwed on the lid and gave it a pretty long, nice shake to make sure it was all incorporated into the oil and mixed very well. I should have sped this process up, but I didn't, and I apologize for this part. And this is how the finished product should look. Now it's time for the fun part, testing it out. I'll be adding multiple clips in different positions to show you how it looks on my legs. The more you rub it in, the more blended it will become. It will still have a very nice, beautiful glow to it no matter what though. And the best part about this is it does not leave a sticky residue. As you can see, it has a really pretty rose gold color to it. You can use any color highlight you want depending on your skin tone. I just so happened to choose this one since it was the only color I never seemed to use in the palette, and I wanted to just put it to good use. Now here, you can clearly see a huge difference between the leg that has a shimmer compared to the one that doesn't. And prior to this, I did not lotion. This is with shimmer. And this is without. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for more upcoming videos in the future.